Good morning, boys and girls. From the responses to the survey, seems like most of you have a decent handle on the graphing and the solving by systems, but I will do a video for those of you who want a little refresher. I'm going to do these problems so we can go over how to do that intercept form again, just to make sure we have it, because it's going to be much more helpful later on. Okay, so if I do this first one, again, I know that on the x-axis, my y point is 0, and on the y-axis, my x point is 0. So I'm going to plug this in for this y, which goes away, and I'm left with 3x equals 4, divided by 3 on both sides, x equals 4 thirds. So again, it doesn't have to be perfect. 4 thirds is a little bit more than 1. Boom. Do it with the other one. Plug this into here, which makes this go away. I'm left with 2y equals 4, y equals 2. Perfect. Which is right there. Now I have my 2 dots. I can connect. Dotted line because it's not equal to. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to shade. Again, pick the point 0, 0, plug it in. When I do that, I get 0 plus 0 is less than 4. 0 is less than 4. This is a true statement. That checks out. So everything on this side is shaded for that first line. All right, we'll do black for the next one. So again, same thing, plug in 0 for y. I'm left with x, or x equals 4. So that's the first one for that line. Then I plug in the 0 in for x, which goes away. Now don't forget, every number has a sign that goes with it, and it's the sign that's before it. So I can't just forget about this negative sign with the 2. So now I'm left with 2y equals 4. Negative 2y equals 4. Divide by negative 2. Now remember, I'm just finding an exact point, so I don't need the inequality. Just need the exact point, just need the equal sign. With y equals negative 2. That is right there. Okay, this one would be a solid line. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to plug in 0, 0 again. And I'm going to be left with 0 minus 0 is greater or equal to 4. And 0 is greater than or equal to 4. This is a false statement. That means 0, 0 does not work, which means everything on the other side works. Which means this is the area where they share. So that is graphing inequalities. Let's go look at the answers. Number 7 here. Should be somewhere on the bottom. There it is. That's what we got. Alright, that's that one. And I'll make a new one for solving systems.